Okay. Ooh. Yeah. I. Okay. Okay. No fucking way. You turned me into a freaking knight. That's so insane. Oh shit. I gotta keep my voice down. There's. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa, that is so cool. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. It's- like, got the clouds behind me, and I'm like, majestic pose. This is, oh my God. Oh my, nah, I'm even crying right now. This is insane. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so amazing. Oh, dude, I appreciate this so much. I don't know. I think I need to use this as a profile picture now. Oh, this is so incredible. That's so incredible. Oh my God. Thank you so much. This is like, 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 I, dude, I, like, when I was doing all of this shit, like, I got so much hate for it. And like cause the Reddit was going crazy, like I was taking their shit, trying to earn from, like, use them to make money, and no matter what you show them, they're like, we don't believe. They're just got it. So it's like I was like, okay, you know what? They're back. My mission is complete. I it was just like, honestly, this is like the best thing that I've gotten ever since I've been uploading the videos on. Like, this is insane. Thank you so much, Dr. Five. Dude, oh my God. Oh my days. Oh my freaking days. That's just looking at it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I will. I will very much so. I will very much so. I don't know if you've got anything planned right now, but dude, I appreciate you though. Like, if you also want to come hang out with us on Rainbow too, you're welcome to. We can have conversations if you want. Like, it's I don't, I'm speechless right now. I'm literally speechless. I I don't even know what to say right now. Like, I still can't believe that this is, because I was really just ready for us, like, just chill, you know? Because after, I think, was it Kai? I reached out to Kai about the uploads for Crusader Stronghold, and I think the first thing that she wanted was that we take those videos down. And I was like, there are people there that are like, they're going crazy. Some of them didn't even know that mxrplays got banned from YouTube. And the only way that they found out was through our channel, right? So like every single day I'd be like, what, they would be like, what happened to mxrplays? Where's Henry? Where's Jeannie? And be like, oh, like, they got banned, the only way you can reach them is actually on the Patreon. So it's like, you're trying to lead them there, but it, I, God, I don't know. It was the drama that came up from that shit was just, I, mm, 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 uh, mm, Mm, dude. Bro, dude, I appreciate this so much, man. Like, you have no idea. You have no idea. Like, this made my day. This made my freaking day. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, well, I mean, we'll keep in touch. If there's anything, you let me know. And I'll be around. Oh, okay. Oh, right. I did invite you to the server. Yeah, definitely. Man, you take care, man. Yeah. We could go a step further over there, but again, man, I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Definitely, this is an outfit for me. This is laid in gold. I need to do this shit. I need to get the cosplay and everything. This fucking this is so cool. This is so cool. This is so cool, bro. Like, yeah, take care, man. Take care. All right. All right. Shit, that was crazy. What else is it? YouTube channel. When we started on this, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. Hey guys.